Hey, what's up everybody, this is Dan Rock, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I swap this exhaust that I have on my bike, which is 2023 Honda Rebel. I got this exhaust from Amazon. You can watch a video on my channel about it, but I'm gonna swap this exhaust to Vance Hines, which I just received today, and I'm super excited about this one. Let's get started and place that exhaust onto my Honda Rebel right here. So first we've got some screws right here. I'll lay everything out and make sure we have everything we need. Let's open this up. Everything is really well packaged, so that's out. Of course, the exhaust itself. This is Vance Hines Exhaust for Honda Rebel 500s, and my year is 2023. And this is just upsweep slip-on exhaust, so I'm not replacing the full exhaust, just the tip. Alright, and this is a nice exhaust itself. You can see the quality of it, looks nice. The inside of it, 12mm socket. And I'm just gonna undo this one. Gonna loosen up this one, but I'm not gonna completely remove. Swap to 10mm. I can just do this by my hand. So this is loose. Since both of those screws are loose, I can remove this one. I'm just gonna slide this one out, just like that. Twisting side to side. Just go slow. You don't want to pull straight out. Work it by twisting. Make sure you're doing this on the cold exhaust, okay? Making sure that your exhaust is not hot. Alright, we just removed this exhaust. It was easy. The exhaust has been removed. I've had this exhaust for like a year. You see it got a little bit rusty, but that's fine. Talking about this exhaust, Vance Hines, this bracket right here has to go on to the exhaust this way, and it's gonna attach to here. Okay, and they provide you with these screws right here. So the first one's gonna go in here, and just kind of do it by hand, and do the same on the second. I'm gonna take this Allen wrench, which is size 4mm, and we're just gonna tighten these screws. And just don't over tighten, just kind of make sure it sits well. It's gonna go on here this way, so this part is gonna be behind here. So we're gonna go ahead and install this Vance Hines. All right, so don't forget this first. So it has to go over here on top of this, and this is closed. 10mm socket. Yeah, just like that. Yep. Expand the spring. Yeah, that's what we want to see. And now I'm gonna put this screw back in. Okay, that works. So it's gonna slide on just like the old pipe. Undo this a little bit more so it can move. Okay, now we're just gonna slide this on. There we go, slowly, without scratching anything. And if you're interested where you can pick up this pipe, this exhaust, Vance Hines, I'm gonna put the link below into the description of my video, so you can go ahead and check it out. Oh, okay, it's in. Perfect. So we're just gonna slide this down a little bit here, twist it this way. Let's attach this to here so it doesn't just float in the air. So they provided us with this right here, this big screw we're just gonna go through here. It's gonna go through here and come out on the other side. Okay, there we go. And this is gonna go on the back side. Hold the combination wrench on the back side just so it doesn't twist while we tighten this part right here. Yeah, just make sure it's tight, just don't overdo it. That's good right there. I want to hide this so you don't see that screw. The last step was to make sure this is tight. Okay, so you want to position this ring right here, just kind of, there's some holes that's inside the exhaust pipe. You just want to close them so it has a tight seal. And this gap right here, you're gonna have that gap because that's the way the pipe is designed. And I could actually move this over here, but I didn't want the little grooves that were inside the exhaust pipe to be exposed. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. This is what it looks like. We've got Vance Hines Exhaust onto 2023 Honda Rebel 500 CMX, and let's start this baby because you of course want to hear how it sounds. This is how you install Vance Hines Exhaust onto Honda Rebel 500. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was really easy installation, took about 15 minutes. If you like this video, smash thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I have more awesome videos coming up, and thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.